Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, trunks, thermal module, and I/O board. Removal. Disconnect the DC-in cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the DC-in cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the DC-in bracket to the top cover. Lift the DC-in bracket off of the DC-in module and remove. Carefully release the DC-in module from the retaining tabs on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the DC-in module.